Welcome to my channel, Oracle Cloud General Ledger Related Value Set. In this topic we are going to be having a look at related value sets in Oracle GL. What's our agenda? What is a related value set? How to set up a related value set? I will show you it in use in one transaction like GL journal, how it's an alternative solution to a current bug or issue in Oracle, and how it reflected in managed account combination. Related value set is an independent type value set whose values are related to another independent type value set, and they provide a way to define dependencies between two segments in a chart of account to ensure only valid combinations are used during data entry. And you can define these relationships immediately for new or existing chart of accounts. If you are using cross-validation rules to validate values for a segment based on another segment, you can convert them to related value set rules to improve journal processing performance. When you use this feature, it will automatically display a list of related values in a segment value choice list based on what value was selected in a preceding segment in your chart of accounts. How a related value set considered as an alternative solution to a current bug or issue in Oracle Cloud. Let me get into application. Navigate to setup and maintenance. Select financials. Manage chart of account, value set. Manage chart of account value set. Select the GL module. Click search. Go to down. Select any of these segments. For example, account. Try to edit. Validation type. The validation type for dependent is not working with Oracle. So what is the alternative solution is using related value set. By Oracle recommendation, don't try to use a validation type as dependent. Why? Because space cube is not working with validation type dependent. For example, if I need to create a new one, here you can select dependent, no problem. You can enter value set Google description module. You can also save, you can also deploy the chart of accounts, but during the space cube for reporting, for anything, the space cube reflecting from here to space cube, all value set of which is validation type is dependent, it will not work there. So alternative solution is using related value set. Maybe these issues will be resolved in the future during roadmap or next version, maybe, but until now still it's not resolved. Let me cancel. So now we covered what related value set and how it is an alternative solution to a current bug or issue in Oracle. Now let's get into application to show you how to set up related value set and also try to make a transaction like GL journal to check the reflection of our setup. Again, you have to navigate manage chart of account value set, select module, select your value set. For example, I will make relationship between business line and cost center. So once I select business line, I click on related value set and click add and select my cost center. I can delete. Again, you have to select the value set code, click related value set, create. The system will ask to assign related value set code. Click search, enter the related value set code. I will select cost center, okay. So our two value set code will be business line and cost center. Click save. System will ask you to enter the values. Come here and enter add row. Here the values for business line, and here they are related from value set code cost center. You can select search, again search. I will select 01 with, again search, 101, add another row, search, 01 again with 102, add another row. I can select 02 with 103 and 104. Again 02 and 104. Once you finished the setup, you selected all of the related value set as a mapping and assigned. So let me make a note and make a business line, zero one, zero one, 02, was cost center, and 102, 02 is 103 and 104. So this is how to set up the related value set. I selected two current segments, value set code and related value set code, and also select the values, this with this and this with this, and save and close. Now again, if you come here, you can also edit, to remove or to add. Also we have another options here. Once you save and finished your mapping for related value sets, you have to redeploy your chart of accounts. Even you added or deleted or amendment any values in the definitions or the setup for related value sets, you have to redeploy value set. Another thing is, before to go to redeploy the chart of accounts, you can come here, select any of these, and go to to import a related value set. So if you have a large number of values that you need to map, then there is the facility to import your related value set. Let me save and close. Go to manage chart of account structure, try to redeploy, select module, general ledger, search. It will give you, try to deploy flex field. There is one warning but no errors found. Deployment is in progress. Now deployment successfully finished. Click OK. Deployment status is deployed. Click Done. Now we are going to make a GL journal to check our related value setup. Go to home page. Go to general accounting, journal, go to tasks, create journal, test related value set, go to down, journals, again I all things the same, ledger, currency, accounting, calendar, adjustment, go to enter lines, keys, select. Here our business line, we will select 01 to check our cost center, 101, 102. If you try to select 103, account, cars, okay. It's not allowed to using, but try to select 101. Okay, it's selected normally. Again, if you try to enter the second business line as 02 and try to enter 102, which is related to 01 business line, try to enter the account first, assets clearing for example, okay. It will not allow you to select, but if you select 103 or 104, it will allow you to select it. Click OK. Now it's working fine. So what we have done now, how to set up and also how to use it in, for example, GL journal. Now we are going to manage account combinations to check if it's working or not. For example, if you are going to add a new combination with the related value sets, the systems will check if there any related value sets is already defined or not to compile it during the definition of code combination. So go to setup and maintenance, select financials, manage code combinations, manage account combination, select chart of accounts, search, try to add. I will select business unit 01 with one of business unit as a cost center which is assigned to business unit 02, for example 103. As you see here, 103 is assigned to business line 02, but here I assign business line 1 with 103 as the related values of 02 business line. Select the accounts, try to save. It will ask you value related is not assigned, so the system is checked that there is a related value set assigned, but this value set is not related to the business line. So this is the last topic in our to how to manage account combinations. I hope to subscribe my channels, and if you have any questions, you can contact me or message me. Thanks for watching.